Hello, good evening everyone. Please let me know, am I audible or not? Please let me know in the comment section, am I audible or not? Okay, just wait for a few minutes. Let everyone be join. Okay, now let's get started without wasting any time. So today's topic is weather dashboard using Python. Okay, तो आज का टॉपिक क्या है? एक ओपन वेदर नाम का एक ऐप है, उसका उसको उसका एपीआई को यूज करके हम वेदर फेच करेंगे और उसको वेब ऐप में इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे फ्लैक्स की मदद से। ओके ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल। प्लीज लेट मी नो। ओके, तो आज भी क्या पिछले दिन की तरह इको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? मुकेश बोलो। Okay. Okay. So I have shown you all in my previous video how to download Python and VS Code. Hope you remember. So uh, let me just show you another time. Just if you don't have download Python in your system, so just go to the python.org and download Python. After downloading Python, just download VS Code. Just click here code.vscode.com and download for Windows. Okay, as I show you in my last video. So uh, at first, I will show you uh, what will be the output of today's project. So let me just give some minutes. This one. It will be the outcome of today's project. Okay, the weather dashboard. Okay, here you have to enter your city name. Like if you live in Delhi, so just write Delhi and just press the get weather button. And after pressing get weather button, here you can see the weather in Delhi. The temperature 17.05 degrees centigrade, then feel like, then condition, then humidity, then wind speed. Okay, this is the today's topic outcome. Okay, so how can we create that? So let's code. Just close. Let me close it. Let me close it. Go your PC, Python workshop. Open with code. Just let me plug in my laptop. I have a 28% charge. Okay, now create a file and name as per your choice. Here I will give a name like weather weather dot py. And before we writing our code, you need here a library called request. So go to your command prompt and just type pip install requests. You need this library. I have already downloaded it, so it's show all requirement already satisfied. Okay. Uh, and you need here your OpenWeather API key. So for getting your API, just go to your browser and open a new tab and type open. Just a second. What is my this second? Type here OpenWeather map. Okay, just write here OpenWeather map and click the first link. Just openweather.org. After opening this site, here you can see a sign in button. I have already signed in, so that's why it show my profile. In your case, you will see here a sign in button. Just click in sign in button and sign up with your email or Facebook or anything else. And after sign in, just click on it and select here my API key. Okay, select here my API keys, and you have you have see here create key. Okay, just write here your key names. In my case, I will write here test and press the generate button. Okay, here you can see it will generate a API key. Okay, just copy it and paste API key here. Okay, okay, guys, clear this portion? If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. Okay, nobody have doubt. So let's continue. We have just installed a library called request and just import this library. For importing, just write import requests. Okay, then I will print a headline. Print weather dash dashboard. Then my API key. Then I have to declare here a URL. So create a variable name base URL or anything as your choice, and right here your OpenWeather URL. It's it will be http://api dot open weather map dot org slash data slash 2.5 slash weather. Okay, this will be your base URL. Okay, don't worry, I will paste this URL. I will share this URL with you. So After that, I have to check here this URL is valid or not. Okay, just copy. Okay, this URL is valid, and I have no declare here API key, so that's why here it's print invalid API key. I have put here my API key. So just declare a city name like Kolkata and keep some parameters. And it should be in a dictionary format. Why metric? Because I need my temperature in Celsius. So that's why I write here metric. Okay. Okay. Now I have to write here response response request dot get method. Then our this URL param parameters. And just print our response dot JSON. It shows here uh, invalid API key. Just a second. Okay, I will paste my previous API key. Okay, this API key is not working right now. I don't know why. This API key is working. So here you can see weather dashboard and it's fetch the data from this URL and with parameter city API key and metrics. Here you can see it's fetch the data and print in a JSON format. JSON means JavaScript object notation format. Okay, here you can see just just a minute. I will clear you this portion. Just copy this URL and go your Chrome, write it to post Kolkata where API ID and units equals to metric, because I need the temperature in Celsius format. Here you can see, if you write this URL on your browser, here you can see it return a JSON format. Okay, it basically returns a JSON format. So basically what happened here, if I write here a parameter and q city q, if you write a parameter in dictionary format, okay, then here q city, then API ID, API key, then units matrix. Here you can see in your URL, here your base URL, then q equals to your city, then API equals to your API key, then unit equals to metric, as I write here as a parameter format. Okay, okay. So what I need here, I need the temperature and the feel like. Here you can see the temperature, feel like, and wind speed, country. Here I I need to print here. Okay, so how I can achieve that? So let's see. Just delete it and write here start a loop. We will take input from user. City input, enter city name. Okay, then dot stripe. Why dot stripe? Dot stripe uh, dot stripe is used for basically if I write something in Suppose I write here space space Kolkata, then space space. It will remove all white space from my text, from user input text. Okay. Basically, strip is used to remove every white space from a word. Okay. Then, then we, if no anyone don't give any city name, then what will happen? If not city, then can print this enter valid city name. Okay. Continue. We write here the try except block because if we request to URL to get response, if this URL does not give response, so it is an exception. Okay, so that's why we write in a try exception block. Response request dot get and some base URL and parameter. This for status. Then we store the data in data variable response dot JSON. And if an accept key error, just print error. Let's try to print the data. Run. Okay, enter city name. Suppose London. Here you can see it will successfully print the data uh, with this URL with the city name and API key. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so at first I want to fetch the country name of the city. So where I can find the country name here, you can see the SYS dictionary, the dictionary name SYS, and here key value country, and the value is IN, means India. Okay, so how can we fetch that? So here you can see, suppose write country name, equals to data dot, sorry, dot नहीं, data कौन से में था, SYS, data SYS dot get country, and print the country name. Will show error. Just clear it. Okay, at first we check the temperature. Just let me fetch the temperature data, where you can find the temperature uh, in main section, and the temp. Main and temp, print the temperature. City name Kolkata. Here you can see it will print the temperature. So what I another need? I need here feel like. Okay, I print here feel like, feel like data main, and uh, feels like. Feels like feels like 22.71. Just try this country name one more time. Data and underscore country IN and the temperature and feel like 22.71. Okay. Okay, till this portion, anyone have any doubt? If anyone have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. If no, then I will continue from this portion. And if you have no doubt, then please write clear in the comment section. I'm waiting for your response. Okay, okay. Now I need here, just remove this one. Okay, I need there um, the humidity also. Humidity equals to humidity कहाँ था? Where is the humidity? Here in main, then humidity. So just write humidity data, then front bracket, main and humidity. And also what we can display uh, anything else we can display humidity wind Uh, uh, so let's display the description, that is head, means condition, the data, where is in weather. Here uh, you can see carefully in weather dictionary it will at a array. Okay, you can see here it's an bracket here, so it is an array in dictionary in array. It's a dictionary but in array, dictionary in array. So in array, which index in array? It is in zeroth index. Okay, because one element present in array, so it is in zeroth index of weather. So here we can write data weather and zeroth element, and what will this humidity, sorry, not humidity, description. Here description. So what else we need? We can display visibility not. Suppose in wind speed. Okay, we also display the wind speed. So in wind and speed. So wind, data, wind, wind speed, wind, and then speed. Okay, just keep it this four things and display these items. Print weather in city name, that is input by the user, city, and the country. Print the temperature, tem temperature, temperature, and degree centigrade. Uh, how can I write here degree symbol? I don't know. If anyone know how can I write the degree symbol, please let me know in the comment box. Just a minute. Okay, it's done. Degree C. It also feels feels like feels like feels like degree C. Also need to print the condition 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 also print humidity 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 and give a percent. Also need the wind speed print string of wind speed wind speed to I don't know the wind speed in which format like mile per second or kilometer per second. I don't know. Just keep it in mile per second and drop a new line. Just okay and run the code. Okay, enter city name. So suppose Delhi. Here you can see weather in Delhi. IN means India. Temperature 16.05 degree Celsius. Feel like 14.86 degree Celsius. In condition H. Humidity 44%. Wind speed 0 ms or kilometer as your choice. I don't know. City name. Suppose I write New New York. Okay. Weather in New York, and this is located in US. Temperature 0.73 degrees Celsius, feel like minus 4.8 degrees Celsius. Condition overcast clouds, humidity 55%, and wind speed 6.69 ms. Okay. Okay. How can I break from this code? If anyone type exit, it will break from the loop. So enter city name or type exit exit for quit. And if city डॉट लोअर फंक्शन का यूज करेंगे हम यहाँ टू exit then break from the loop and run the code. Enter the city name, suppose Mumbai. Hit enter. Here you can see the weather in Mumbai, condition smoke, wind speed, and if I write here exit, then it will break from the loop. Okay, clear everyone? Uh, till this portion. Please, guys, let me know uh, this portion, all of you, is clear or not. If anyone have any doubt, then please ask me. Then right here, error, please enter a valid city name. Hit enter. If anyone give invalid city name like GHJ, then it will just remove the key error portion and run. Then it is show error. Please enter the valid city name. If anyone enter this, enter error. Please enter the valid city name. If anyone enter a valid city name like like Tripura, then it will show the weather in Tripura. Okay. See, there is the comment based output. Okay, everyone, clear at this portion. If you all have clear, then I will go for the next step. I will implement it in a web application. Okay, hopefully it is clear for everyone. So I will go for next step. For implement it in a web application, you will need a Python library for web implementation. It can be Flux or it can be Django. Today, I will show you how to implement it using Flux. Okay, if you know Django, then you can implement it with Django. Okay, or if you know Flux, then if you can definitely go with Flux. Then I will show you how to implement it in Flux. For implementation in Flux, you have to install Flux in your local machine. For this, just open your command prompt and write pip install Flux and hit the enter button. It will download the Flux package in your computer. Close the command prompt and create a new file. weather, and create a app name app.py. And just import the Flask. For this, for that, we have to write from Flask import Flask render template. Why render template? Render template is used for rendering a HTML document with Flux. Okay, we will rendering a HTML page with that. I will show you later in this video, and also request, and to definitely import request for weather page. Then create a variable like Flux name, and simply my API key. App.route. It's basically Flux syntax. Get and post. We create a function for def any function name. In my case, I keep home. Weather data none. Then I have to create another variable for error message, for error handling, for error error message none. User request method post. अगर request method post हो, then city variable city request. At first, we we will create our HTML document. For this, we have to create a folder called templates. Tem templates. Then inside of template folder, we will need a HTML file, index.html. Write a wallet template HTML. I first write the HTML code for your benefit. For title in the dashboard, and you create here a container. Inside of the container, I have H1 a heading that's weather dashboard, and then I need a form with action post. Okay, I write here from action equals to post. So that's why when I will hit the submit button, the from data will pass with post method, and from the backend it will catch if the request method equals to post. Okay, then inside of the from I will need a input field, input type text, name. Here I can write city ID, no ID, placeholder, uh, enter city name, and fill is required. Then just prepare a button type submit, submit button. Means when I type the button, this input text with the city the pass through the post method and go to the app.py. Okay, right? Get weather, get weather. Just look how my pages look like. Copy path. My pages look like that. I know it's not so interesting. I have no style it yet. So our main purpose is not the front end design. Our purpose is fetch the weather. So you can design as per your choice using CSS, JavaScript as your choice. Okay, I just keep it as it is. Okay, then go to our Python file. City equals to request dot from dot get. Uh, Here you can see I write the name input name city. So what name you give here, you have to write this name here. Okay, city dot stripe. Stripe is used for removing white space, as I told earlier. Then then URL just go, ये हमारा URL था, copy paste. I will give this URL to you. Don't worry. I give this URL in comment section. Please check it. URL. Then send. We need our parameters. Our parameters and paste here. Please maintain this indentation in Python. Then try response request dot get URL. Then params equals to params. Then same. We need a dictionary here for parsing the data from our Python to our HTML page. So we create a dictionary called weather data, which is we mentioned earlier with none value. Weather data, create a dictionary, write city data name name. Here you can see here name Kolkata means user input the city name which is stored in name. Then our country to give here comma country copy and paste. Then temperature humidity copy copy it and paste it. But remember you have to write here in dictionary format. Okay. And then write except message error. Then we have to show this output in our HTML from. Okay. This right return render template and your index dot HTML file and give the weather equals to weather data and error error message. Okay, to run our app and debug equals to true and then we create a Flux app, then we select our input message from HTML to our Flux app, then fetch data and we stored this all information in weather data dictionary and return and we have returned this into index.html with weather parameter, the value weather data, which is contain the all details of city, country, temperature, fields, humidity condition, all. Okay, so we have to display this in our HTML file, HTML web page. For this, we just need at first we if any error, if error, if any error, then just show the error. And if there are no error, then weather details will fetch successfully. So if weather, if weather then what will happen? Whether then create a class, just write in h2 tag whether, as I write in our Python, copy it and paste here. Whether in the city, on don't write here only city. Here we pass the weather data with weather parameter, and into the weather data dictionary there are a city key value. Okay, it's a key and it's a value. So if I wanted to print the city, then I have to write here weather, then dot city. So it will print the weather data and city keys value. Okay, so for this I have to write here weather dot city, weather dot city, and in HTML we need here the double braces. Okay, also for country, weather dot weather dot country. Okay, same as the for temperature, condition, humidity, and wind speed. Just don't need the here H there. Right here, temperature, and what we will have to write the weather dot temperature, weather dot temp. Just remove it and degree Celsius. Okay, feels like weather dot like in then condition weather dot condition, then write humidity, humidity, weather dot humidity. Let's and the wind speed. Wind speed. Wind speed, mile per second. Deep close and deep. It's time to run our code. There is any problem? Just let me fix this. It in here. Okay, now it's running. Let's see how it's output. Okay, it's an error. Home did not return a valid response. Okay, here. Again. Okay, now we'll just write a city name. Click the spelling and try again. There is another problem, of course. Data first. the request URL was not found on the server. If you entered the URL manually, please check your spell. What is the problem? From Get City. Does anyone catch my error or mistake? This is the model. Okay, I have to check the error. So basically, I just don't know how this error is occur. This what's in this code instead of this. This code is working properly. I don't know where I made a mistake. I have to check my mistake. So it can take some time. So I don't want to waste your time. So, so so end this workshop here. I have to find my mistake. Don't worry. That's it's the properly working code. I will share with you later. Don't worry. Just just check it and do it. Okay, that's for today. See you all at the next workshop. Okay. Good night, everyone.